Today I'm going to show you how the gradient and gradient tool work. You can do this with any shape that you make with your shape tool, or if you make a shape with your pen tool. Okay, so first thing we have to do is we have to make sure that we select our gradient panel. Our gradient panel on the left and our gradient tool on our toolbar on the right are the exact same image. Okay, so we have to use our gradient panel first on the right. If you don't see this panel, you need to go to Window and select Gradient, and it will pop up. To apply a gradient to a certain area, what we need to do is click the object, and if I want the gradient inside, I need to be sure that my fill is in front of the stroke. So I need to click to activate. And what I will do right here is I am going to click this gradient to activate it within the fill of my object. Now it is automatically a linear. You can also change it to radial. I'm going to go back to linear. And you can change these colors simply by double clicking. You can then select a color from a swatch, or if you want to select a specific color from the color picker, as you'll see right now it's black, you go up to this little options button, click RGB, and it'll show you the different colors. So I've selected two different colors between my gradients, and this gradient slider allows me to do a couple things. One, I can move up the yellow so that it shows more yellow than it does of the green. I can move the green down so it shows more of the green than the yellow. And then I can also, where the two intercept, I can move this as well. I can also add colors. So if you come down to the slider and your mouse or cursor has a plus sign and you click, you now can add a new color. And you have a multiple colored gradient. Again, you can slide any of these around. So let's say I actually want this yellow down here in this corner. This is where I now get to use my gradient tool. So I'll come over here to the gradient tool, select it, and then I'm able to move this slider around. So this slider right here mimics this slider as well. Okay, so we can do the same things here as we did before. I can also come to the far end. If you notice, this end is a circle, the other end is more of a diamond. Come to the diamond, and now I am able to move this around. Okay, and I can click and drag and move this to where I want it to as well. So it's adjustable. And again, if I want more pink down here, I can just slide it this way. Once you're done, you have your gradient.